Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can open a NetBank saver inside of an existing NetBank account already. So if you have an access to a smart account, you want to open a NetBank saver, it's very simple. You just need to watch this video until the end. So once you're logged into your account, what you're going to do is go up to the offers and apply on the top right hand corner, and then from here you're going to scroll down to accounts. Click on this option. Now once this option here loads, you've got everyday account for smart access, and then we have NetBank saver. So from here what we're going to do is click on open now, and then from here it says here that you can choose your account type, answer a few questions, confirm your account details, and review and open your account. So you simply click on get started, and this is going to take you through a few different options. Once you follow these prompts and you fill in all the details, then you'll be able to open your savings account with inside your regular account. And that is all. If you found this helpful, make sure you like and subscribe.